We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and pattern. Hey guys, we are marking up TM. Look at what's going on in the market. We're going to start from the opposite side. We're going to start with the 1 minute. We're going to look for patterns in the market. Very broken up, so we're going to do what we can. Let's work with what we see near price action and work our way up to that time frame. Price action, last active candle in the market is a bullish market. Okay, we can see that area is coming out of that consolidation at that midpoint. Price action highs overall that area. Market looking price to return back up to here. Price action lows. The next low of that area for this market to drop down. We're looking for a market to this area here. Okay, so within that structure, we can also see that market came from a high. That high is coming from is a double top. So let's see if we can zoom into this area. So all we have is that support right here coming up in white. After the support of the red candle, market pushed up once, came to retest, market pushed up twice, got a retest, market drop. Double top structure in this area here. The market came back down to this midpoint before it pushed up to come right back down to the pattern here. Color is not the same as the direction, but we have first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, and market came down. So market came back to that second level highs, did a double top, and then pushed down for a downtrend. Let's head up to, I'm going to skip around a little bit while working our way up, going to the 5 minute. See what we see. Everything is choppy, so we're going to get off to 5 minute. Let's head to the 30. Not identifying anything yet. Copy market. I can walk you through some of this. So what this is, price action at an area of resistance, highest that the market has ever been with TM. Market spiked up once, retested top area, second levels, came back for a second retest, came down to that midpoint of that area, pushed up for a third time retest, maybe pushed up for a fourth time. So we got an overall in that area, some type of double top retest. Market could be coming down if that market closes out on that structure. Let's head up to a 2 hour. We're going to work with what we can see. So we have price action. We do know price action. Highs is here. And we can see that market price low is here. Okay, so there's structure patterns all over this. And there's a midpoint right in the middle. And we can clearly see the market had a hard time breaking this midpoint multiple times. So I'm going to show you guys the overall. And I'm going to get in this section and draw it out. So that's that market coming down to the low. Spike once. Market came up. Market spiked down twice, came back up. Market spiked down to the second level lows, and it did a break and retest, and market's working way back up. So overall structure, that area where we're coming from is a whole bunch of W's and M's within all these points here. Single bottoms, single tops. But what we're paying attention to is that overall, so we had that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest. Market pushed up twice, retest. Market pushed up a third time. So we got about 3 pushes to the top for that trend. Got one more, and after that, that market is fully overexhausted itself. So that'll be one more push it has before that market to push up. So we're going to see we're going to get that push up in this area here after that consolidation retest. Market push up. Don't know how far the market's going to retest. Okay, guys, very important information. Please review, study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Okay, when we're looking at structures of patterns in the market, let's see if we can identify something. So right here we have, can't read the patterns word, the name of the structure. We can identify it at this area. Price at a low, pushed up to a high. What happened? We can clearly see price was respected. That area is a support. Spiked down to low once, came back up, spiked down to low twice, came back up, spiked down to the midpoint or to second levels, came back up. So we can see that market was at a low, worked its way up for areas of support of that staircase pattern for that uptrend. Overall, triple bottom, double bottom to retest, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once at the high, look over to the left, structure look like it could be forming a double top if this market doesn't break the area of resistance. Very important information, guys. Please review. Breakout retest. Strategy. The market's at a low, working its way up to the high. We can clearly see market started at a low, pushed up to an uptrend into a high, got a double top in this area to push this market down. Market did a W, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, came up to a high, wasn't able to break, came back for another retest of that second level lows. Market created some momentum, pushed up again, broke out the midpoint, came back to retest. This is the area we're looking for entry for a pattern. So we could take it to the next level, or that market could drop down. We'll identify the area of that pattern structure in this area right here. Hey guys, thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. This is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. TM Star.